The following easy, safe lock arm is ideal for existing warehouse and truck-mounted A-frames. The standalone easy, safe lock arm can be installed on A-frames using only basic tools. Simply position the main assembly component and tighten in a star pattern until properly secured. Next, slide in and up the assembly's height adjuster. We then add the locking J-slot component of the assembly on top. The rotating lock arm is inserted last. Note, the height is adjustable for different size slabs. The lock arm should remain down until just before the slab is ready to be loaded onto the A-frame. Once loaded, the lock arm should be rotated back, adjusted against the slab, and relocked. When unloading slabs, the process is the same, but in reverse. After attaching and locking the slab clamp lifter, you can rotate the lock arm. Remove the slab. Then secure the lock arm, ensuring a safe and secure workplace.